What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing Bird Game on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, here we are in the Bird Game. I was just playing it for a little bit, and I'm pretty sure the only thing you have to do is collect sticks and not get your nest destroyed. Oh yeah, and don't die. I'm going on that mountain, and hopefully nobody will find me there. It's a good thing that when you die, your level doesn't go down, because a lot of things happen when you die. You lose your nest, which is booty, but whatever. Oh, we got a lot of worms up here. Alright, give me the worms. I love how when you're flying in this game, you just do this. No! No! What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Actually, get out of here. Get out of here, bro! What did I do to you? What did I do? It says pets. That's funny. Is my nest still up there, bro? Like... Oh, my nest is still there. Nice. Okay, it's a good thing you didn't find it. No, go away. No. So actually go away, though. Please. Oh, wait, this... Alright, can we actually never do this edit music again, please? I'm trying not to attack anybody because I don't have a nest. What is the nest actually for? I don't know. No, bro. Yes, bro did build a nest. Stop it. And it's so obnoxiously loud too. No! Actually, no, run away. No, please though. Like, actually. Goofy! Goofy! Oh, hear me out. What if I play this in first person? Wait, can I sprint and fly? No, yeah, you just have to fly better. Can you not do this anymore, Goofy, please? It's not like you're nesting up here. Unless you are. Goofy! No, actually, get out of here, Goofy. Goofy! Get out of here! Get out of here, Goofy! Goofy! You're Goofy! I just wanted to build my nest away from everybody. So that didn't happen. I want to build my nest next to some chill birds. Like, bro, please. Please. I'm pretty sure you unlock more birds as you go, like more types of birds. Oh no, there's another guy. I think he's just chilling. Yeah, he was just chilling. Alright, W. W bird! And then lastly, there's gotta be one right here. Why is there like Snapchat sounds, bro? I don't want to destroy anyone's nest, bro. Until I'm an eagle and I can be sweaty, I'm not gonna do that. I didn't level up though. Oh, I built the nest. Can we like not do the edit music again? No, let me figure out what the nest is used for. I can lay eggs. I don't know what that's for. I guess until then, we'll have to just eat worms and not die. Uh-oh. No, he was chill, he was chill, he was chill. See, I respect guys like that. I respect those friendly, kind birds. Oh, I could build a nest in here. That would have been nice. That would have been smart, because then no one would have found that nest. Where are the worms at, though? It doesn't actually hurt you. Where are the worms? I'm about to die. Where are the worms? Here's one. There's another one. I like how they went with this default Roblox world style for this game. As much as it's goofy looking, it does fit. Wait, sticks can spawn out there. There's a volcano? I want to build a nest in a volcano. Alright, so that's what the eggs do. They just naturally just appear. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, this is a fun game. I like it. I'm gonna grind until I get eagle. I'll be right back. Can I, if I hash the egg? Nah, just run, just run, just run. Fighter now. I'm not a fighter now. I'm not a fighter now. Nah, just run, just run, just run. Why can he hate so... Nah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm going to nest in one of these houses so that nobody finds it. Yeah, ain't nobody finding my nest now. Oh, he's Twitter. That's funny. Bro, what did I do? I'm mashed in here, I think. Yeah. How did he find it? Yeah, come here, boy. Come here. Where do they always run? Can I build a nest under the water? Is this not the strat? There's no way. Find an underwater nest. there's no way they find that. How would they find it? Bro! Even my chair is getting tired of this. It literally just went down on its own. Where is a worm? Where are the worms? Oh, I should have built it over here, so it would be really underwater. Okay, can I move it? Well, I guess I can't move it, but I can. Here we go. Yeah, nobody's gonna find this underwater nest. Yeah, there we go. Are we done with the cringy music? I need a worm. I need worms. Where's the worm? Where's worm? Who did it? Oh, I know, it's fine. Oh yeah, okay, I'll hatch my egg, the egg in a second, but I need a worm. Got him! Well, that is all for today's video. I do plan to play in the future the official release of Bird Game 3 on Steam, but until then, these Roblox games are all I have. If you enjoyed this video, I would share it with your friends, and until then, I will see you in the next one.